this is Anjali Mishra and you're watching my YouTube channel. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently I got my hands on GoPro Hero 8 camera, which is just an amazing camera, and I got a lot of question about this particular camera, that from where I got it, what was the cost and why I got it, what's the purpose behind this camera and all that stuff. So this video is going to be all about this particular camera and as well as unboxing video of GoPro Hero 8, and I'm going to show you what are the accessories I got with this particular camera and what's the cost of this particular camera. If you want to check out this camera, you can check out the description and link in the description. So before getting started, just subscribe to my channel. And I am here alone, but behind the scenes my parents are working hard for me, my family is working hard for me. Whatever I had achieved is just not it's because of my family's support, because all of you, because you loved watching my videos and you supported me. And it's been a really long journey for me. It's been 2 years I'm doing vlogging. Earlier I was doing fashion vlogging, and as well as Bookstagram. I'm running a Bookstagram channel, so it's quite hard to manage everything at just one time, and it's been a long journey till now. It's been 2 years and it's a long way to go. So I'm really thankful to each and every person, and recently I completed 650 subscribers, and I'm really thankful to every person who subscribed to my channel, who showed love to my videos, who watched my videos on daily basis, who shared my videos, my friends, my family. You just see me in front of the camera, but behind the camera there are a lot of people who are working for me, who are continuously motivating me to create more content, to create worthful content, to create valuable content. And the best thing about this GoPro camera is I got it from my own earnings, and that's what I'm proud of, that I didn't took money from my parents. And so okay, let's get started with the video. So watch the whole video if you want to know everything about this particular camera. So let's get started. This is GoPro Hero 8 Holiday Bundle, Special Bundle. It's written over here. हम इसको यहाँ से निकाल सकते हैं. Let's pull it out. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a very small camera. Basically, it's an action camera, and many of you have asked me that why I need an action camera, because I have plans in my mind, and this camera has motivated me a lot to travel the world, to travel every city, every beautiful city in India. So this is an action camera, as well as people have misconception about GoPro that it's not for cinematic videos and it's not for all that stuff what I do in regular basis recording videos. But no, this camera is amazing, and this camera is good for vlogging as well as cinematic videos. So this is the camera, how it looks. Now I'm gonna show you how you can remove it. So here you can see you need to pull it up, and then you need to press it out, and you have to do it like this, and it's out. So this is the camera, how it looks. So there are a lot of new things which GoPro have updated in this particular camera. You can see the mic in front of this camera. When you record a video from like this, if you are far away, then also you're gonna see your voice will be clear. Girl in Vizag, and I use this GoPro camera for recording that whole vlog. You can check it out. You can check out the quality of this particular camera, and the quality is good. The only problem that I face with this camera is its battery backup is not so good. Its battery backup, it's not so good, and I think it's just new camera, and that's the reason it's getting heat up. So that's the problem I face till now. And yeah, if you want to remove this screw, you can remove this part as well. So you just need to, this is a screw kind of thing. So okay, this is what the camera looks like, and this is also a finger thing, is new thing in updated thing in GoPro Hero 8. This is not available in and yeah, the rate, let me tell you the price. I got this camera of 37,490 rupees from Amazon, and it was not in any sale. Or so it's all about this particular camera. Let's get into the accessories. What are the accessories I got it, and what's the reason I got this hero bundle, holiday bundle? The main reason is it has this headband thing. You can put this band in your head while you are driving a bike or you're riding a cycle, and you can just put your camera in this and you can just put it in your head like this, and you can record everything, whatever you see in front of your eyes, and you can do that stuff. So the main reason I got holiday bundle is because this have this small tripod for hero bundle and for GoPro Hero 8, and the main reason is the cost of this one tripod is alone of 3700, I guess, around that. And I got extra battery with this, one battery, and I got one extra battery with this particular bundle. And I also got a 32 GB memory card as well as adapter. I put the memory card in my camera because I recorded a vlog, Vizag, girl in Vizag thing. And this is the adapter for you can transfer your files from your camera memory card to your laptop. That's the reason they give adapter as well. So that's a good thing about this camera. And finally I got this thing, USB, to charge my camera. And both the batteries are chargeable batteries. You can charge the batteries, and the battery backup is not like it's not gonna work too long. If you think you can just work with one battery, it's not possible, because the camera is gonna shut down just after 2 or 3 hours of continuous vlogging. Because I tried out this camera on my first day, and I recall like I charged it almost 90% and I went out, and it's just been 3 or 4 hours and I wasn't continuously recording as well. I just recorded very few things, and then also the battery got drained. So that's the problem, and I had complained to GoPro regarding this, and I was expecting this camera to be delivered on my birthday, and I ordered this camera on the occasion of my birthday, 1st September, but I received it much earlier and I loved this camera. So it's totally fine, because कभी भी ले लें, camera तो आ गया अपने पास. And yeah, I got so many instructions, like okay, I got a 1-year warranty card as well. It's somewhere here. Okay, this is a 1-year warranty card. If it will get break or anything will happen, they will just replace it, so I don't need to go any showroom and anywhere else. These are the stickers which I received with the camera. Thrilophilia, if you know what Thrilophilia is, it's a travel company, and you will get 25% off if you travel with them. So I got this coupon, and there are a lot of stuffs, basically all about instructions, what app you are going to use and what are the things what's going to help you to run this camera, to use this camera. GoPro services are super amazing, and I love this camera. So you can check out this camera. You will be getting link in description. So check out this camera. This was all about this particular camera. You can check out this camera. You will be getting link in description. So check out this camera. Maybe you are gonna love it. If you are someone who is thinking to buy a camera, whether if you are confused whether you should go for a DSLR or you should go for a GoPro camera, just think one thing: are you gonna shoot all the cinematic videos? Then DSLR is best. If you want your videos to be too much professional, then DSLR is good. But if you want your camera to be handy, so you can vlog properly every day, if you are gonna use it every day, then GoPro is the best camera, because charging DSLR camera and using it on your regular basis is gonna be a lot of headache, I think. And editing the videos, it's it's a big headache. So if you want that, go for GoPro. So this was all about this particular GoPro camera, and this was unboxing of this particular camera. Let me know whether you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and keep watching my channel. And thanks for all your love and your support, what you have shown me till now, and I expect you will be doing it after this as well. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.